Forcepoint DLP on-prem can help with streamlining compliance for organizations in over 150 regions, covering over 80 languages and well over 14 industries. Forcepoint DLP on-prem covers regulations and compliance standards for many privacy regulations worldwide, financial regulations, common PCI, and federal regulations. This means that practitioners can use out-of-the-box policies with over 1,700 classifiers in order to identify data in motion, data in use, and data at rest. Within a single policy, administrators can identify patterns and phrases, including regex, file labeling with good visibility or AIP, fingerprinting, machine learning, apply actions when that trigger is violated. Actions can be as simple as permit and monitor, or encrypt, user coaching, or even blocking. And a single policy could monitor for multiple egress points, email, web, including extending this protection out to CASB for API or proxy, printing, endpoint applications. Users also have access to the Forcepoint DLP catalog for reporting and investigating incidents for all policy violations. This is yet another way for organizations to continue to extend and streamline their policy and compliance monitoring, and how Forcepoint delivers data security everywhere for an entire organization.